everybody, this is Olivia with Create Odyssey, and I'm here with a quick DIY on how to make a pocket letter file flip thingy. And I first seen this from Miss Everly, so everybody please go check out her channel, and all her stuff is awesome, so go like everything. And you see all this blue spray paint on my fingers. Yeah, ignore that, it's for a video I'm making also, but I want to do this really quick. So all you need is your pocket letter, your file, and a stapler. I know this totally says Harris on here and it's not my last name, but my little cousin gave it to me, and yeah, it's a good stapler. So anywho, so you go ahead and insert your pocket letter in your file, you close it, and then there's going to be lines on your file folder. And so I always go to the one nearest me, and I try to staple it on that line as close as possible. So if you go a little bit over, it'll be more accurate to hit the line. Sorry, my stapler didn't staple. Of course it would get stuck when I'm making a video. There we go. One is in there. Go a little over the line. And they don't have to be perfectly spaced. You just want to get them in there. All right, and that's all you do. And you flip it over, and I already folded mine, but along these lines, you'll see creases that are already made, like score marks, score lines, and then you just fold it over, and it will flip over really well, and then you just begin to decorate it. Make sure it's not upside down, because I've totally put it upside down before and had to redo it. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was an easy DIY for you.